Hello everyone. Gautam Ayurvedic Academy online classes welcomes you all. The continuation of detailed classes. Today we are going to see about Apamarga. Myself, Dr. M.V.V. Durga Prasad, Assistant Professor, Department of Dravyaguna, Sharada Ayurvedic Medical College. Apamarga, it's very important drug, and in Charaka Samhita, Charaka itself, he says it is the best drug for Shiro Virechana, that is Nasya Karma. Okay? Shiro Virechana, that is Nasya Karma. For the purpose of this, he explained a chapter, or he named a chapter by the name Apamarga Tanduliya Adhyaya. Charaka Sutra, second chapter. Okay? So that much it is very important. So coming to the Besonim, Nirukti, Apakritya doshan shariram marjayati shodayati. Apakritya doshan means the plant which removes all the vitiated apakritya doshan, vitiated doshas from the body. So that's why it is called marjayati and shodayati. So if you remove the vitiated doshas from the body, then it will be shodhana, that will be purify the body. That's why it is Apamarga. Coming to the synonyms, Kara Manjari, Kantakitvat Karasparsha Pushpa Manjari. If you see here, it is having spinous bracteoles. That's why it is spinous, means it is touch. If you touch, it will be pointed, prickly to touch this inflorescence. That's why it is called Kara Manjari. Adahshalya, Kantaki Pushpani Adhomukatvat. If you see here, the flowers are having spinous bracteoles and they are pointed downwards. Okay. Next synonyms, Durgraha, Kantakitvat Grihitam Kastaha. That means difficulty to hold the inflorescence because of it is having spinous bracteoles. Okay. Shikare Pushpa Manjaritvat. It is having terminal spike inflorescence. That's why it is called Shikari. Pratyak Pushpi. So if you see here, it is an inflorescence. If you see here, the flowers are pointed downwards. Adaha. That is also Pratyak. Pratyak means it is Adhomukani. Adhomukani Pushpanyasya. That is deflexed flowers. It is called deflexed flowers. Margaha. It's a very important synonym. Margaha. Marjayati Margan Srotamsin. That means here Marga means it is a synonym for Srotas. As you studied, it is a synonym for the Srotas. So here, what is the meaning is, it cleanses all the Srotas. It clears or cleanses the Srotas. That's why this synonym is given for the Apamarga. Chara Madhya. Whole plant is predominantly alkaline. Charo Madhye Gatrasya Aushadaha Chara Pradhanatvat. That means it is having Chara, alkaline predominant. Mayurakaha. It's a very interesting synonym. Mayura iva Vishagnaha. Mayura iva Vishagnaha. So peacock normally kills the poisonous snakes and it eats. But after that also doesn't have any effect on, that poison doesn't have any effect on peacock. That's why Mayura iva Vishagna. It is like, it is anti-poisonous like Mayura, that is peacock. And another meaning is saying, Manati Heenasti Rogan. It will cures many diseases. That's why this name is Mayuraka. So very interesting synonym, another synonym, that is Kshavaka. Kshavaka means Kshavattukaraha Kshavaka. It causes sneezing. That's why the name Kshavaka is given. So almost all synonyms are very important, but mainly for exam purpose, you can remember any 4 synonyms. Coming to the regional names, English it is called prickly chaff flower. Hindi it is called chirachiri. Chirachiri. Kannada Uttareni. Malayalam Katalati. Telugu Uttareni. Marathi Agada. These are the vernacular names. Botanical name Achyranthes aspera. Family Amaranthacea. Kula Apamarga Kula. Coming to the classical classification, Ganavargikarana, Charaka mentioned under Krimigna, Vamanopaga and Shirovirachanopaga. It is the best interview for Shirovirachana, that's why Shirovirachanopaga. Shushruta, Arkadigana, Bhavaprakasha, Guduchadi, Varga. Coming to the habitat, the plant grows abundantly in waste places of tropical and temperate regions of India. Coming to the morphology, it is a perennial herb, grows up to 30 to 90 centimeter height. Okay. Stem is aerial, erect, angular, branched, hairy, green, herbaceous, but woody below. Nodes and internodes are prominent on stem with the violet or pink color at the nodes. If you see here, there will be color change at each and every node. Coming to the leaf, it is simple, petiolate, opposite, subrhomboidal shape, suddenly pointed apex, hairy, reticulate venation. Coming to the inflorescence, it is a spike with flexed flowers arranged on a long peduncle. Flowers are complete, small, they are green with spinescent bracteoles. Coming to the fruit, an indehiscent achene enclosed within persistent perianth and bracteole. Seeds are endospermic. Coming to the part used, whole plant is used. Whole plant is used. Coming to the chemical composition, achyranthin, saponin A, B, C, D, oleanolic acid, echidocin. These are the very important chemical composition. Coming to the rasa panchaka, rasa is especially we are talking here panchanga of the plant. Tikta katu rasa, ushna guna, katu vipaka, sara and tikshna guna. Ushna virya, katu vipaka. Tikta katu rasa, ushna virya, sara, tikshna guna and katu vipaka. If you see the phala, it is having madura, shita, madura and ruksha guna. Madura, shita, madura. That is madura rasa, shita virya, madura vipaka and ruksha guna. Coming to the actions, dosha karma, that is on the dosha, action of dosha. Kapha vatahara, kaphahara because of ushna virya, vatahara same because of ushna virya only. Coming to the karma, agni deepaka, saraka, pachaka, vamaka and chedana. Rogagnata, agnimandhya, admana, hridroga, arshas, kandu, udarashula. Coming to the amayika prayoga, in arshas, apamarga moola grinded with honey, given with tandulodaka. Tandulodaka means rice washed water. If you see here, there is a picture, the water is collected like this. That water is called tandulodaka. Nadi vrana, oil in nadi vrana. Nadi vrana means it is sinus. Oil prepared out of apamarga phala is applied along with the cow's urine. Coming to the Visuchika, apamarga moola kalka with water is advised. There is a special amayika prayoga is said, Atyagni, in Atyagni, Basmaka Roga, in excessive hunger, gruyal means soup, prepared out of apamarga bija, milk and godarasa. Godarasa means here inguina meat soup. This is inguina. If you see here, it is a reptile, so inguina, one type of reptile, inguina meat soup is prepared and given with apamarga, bija and milk. That will effectively cures the Basmaka Roga. So coming to the Matra, Kshara 0.5 to 2 gram. If you see Kshara preparation, whole the plant is collected and it is dried, then it is burned, then after burning the ash only collected, not black part, that ash part is only collected and it is filtered with water 21 times, double folded cloth, then it will be heated again to get concentrated alkali, that is called Kshara, which is prepared and it is collected. So that can be, dosage will be 0.5 to 2 gram. Coming to the Swarasa, 10 to 20 ml, Moola Churna is 3 to 6 grams, Bija Churna is 3 grams. Coming to the formulations, Apamarga Kshara mainly used in Arshas, Apamarga Kshara Taila used in Krimija Sirashula, Apamarga Divarti used in Yonigata Rakta Srava or Yoni Vyapat, Maha Panchagavya Grita, Apasmara, Unmada and Shota. These are the main formulations. Coming to the classical reference, Apamargaha Rasatikshno Deepanaha Tiktakaha Katuhu Pachano Rochana Schardi Kafa Meha Anilapaha Nihanti Hrudruja Adma Arsha Kandu Shulodara Apachi. This is Bhaprakasha reference Gudichadi Varga. Apamargaha Rasa Tikshno Deepanaha. Apamarga is Tikshna Guna, Deepana Karma, Tikta Katuhu Rasa, Pachano, Rochano, Chardi, Kafa Meha Anilapaha. It will reduce the Kapha and Vatahara, and it is also useful in Chardi and Meha. Nihanti Hrudruja Admarasha. Hrudruja, that is pain in heart region, and Arshas, Kandu, Shula, Udara, Apachi, Agnimandya also it can be used. So this completes the Apamarga. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and like and share.